Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. If you have interest to buy our big size of MaggieFrame magnetic hoop, such as the 13 by 16 inch or 17 by 60 inch MaggieFrame, but you are not sure this kind of big size of MaggieFrame can fit on your own embroidery machine or not. Here, I will introduce two solutions to verify our big size of MaggieFrame can fit on your machine or not. This will help you to get the right biggest size of magnetic hoop for your embroidery job. Okay, let's introduce the first solution. In order to know the maximum embroidery area size of your machine, we need to measure the size of your biggest embroidery hoop in your hands. Be sure you will have the small size of hoops like this in your hands, but you need to measure the biggest embroidery hoop in your hands. For example, like this one. Herewith, I will demonstrate to you how to measure the size of your biggest embroidery hoop. For example, if this is the biggest embroidery hoop in your hands, we measure like this. And we will get the length dimension is around 605 millimeters. And we get the width dimension is around 392 millimeters. You have a Embroidery embroidery machine. If this is the biggest hoop which can work on your machine, let's measure the dimension. We get the length dimension is around 515 millimeters. The width dimension is around 505 millimeters. After measurement, please send to our distributor the photo of embroidery hoop with the size result you measured. If you buy from our online store, please just order online and leave a message with the measurement result. It will be helpful if in the photo it shows the metal brackets details, so we can double check the brackets details of your existing hoop to avoid any misunderstanding each other. If you send us or our distributor the photo of your biggest embroidery hoop with the measured dimension and the metal brackets details, be 100% sure you will get the MaggieFrame with the correct metal brackets as you expected. The second solution is measure the arm of the embroidery machine. Okay, let's start. Before you start to measure the distance of the arm, you need to be sure the two arms have the biggest distance on your machine. Let's do the measurement of the arm distance. You see the dimension is around 610 millimeters. And we measure the depth of the arm. The measurement starts from the edge of the bar and ends up to the positioning block. You see the dimension is around 260 millimeters. After the measurement, please send to our distributors the photo of the embroidery machine arm distance and the depth dimension, together with the photo of the embroidery hoop metal brackets details. Then be 100% sure you will get the right MaggieFrames with correct metal brackets for your own embroidery machine. If you want to know more about MaggieFrame or Hoop Talent hooping station, or if you want to learn more skills or experience of that, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.